Welcome to the third Prime VR2 training module, the Rehab Games. I will explain how to play one of the 5 Rehab games. Step 1. Open the platform loader on your PC. See the first training module on how to download the platform loader. Log in to the platform loader. On the left, you will find the Rehab Games, with a short description of each Rehab game. Step 2. Download the Rehab game to the PC. Select a game on the left side and download it by clicking on the download button. This will install the game on the PC. Now, the download button will change into a play button. There are a total of 5 Rehab games: Splatterama, Shapeshifter, Garden Master, Rhythm Game, and A Day at the Office. Splatterama sets the player in a virtual target shooting range set in a forest diorama. Armed with a hypothetical paint blob firing blaster gun, the player is tasked with hitting as many cardboard cutout animals as possible as they pop in and out. In the Shapeshifter minigame, the player is presented with a set of 3D shapes that represent a line path through 3D space. The objective is to trace the hand through the path as accurately as possible. The action is akin to tracing a gesture. The Garden Master game is set in a gardening environment, where it requires the player to carefully water and grow a set number of plants until they flourish. A water hose can be picked up by the player. Rhythm games offer fun, timing-specific gameplay, often married with colourful visuals. The appeal of these games comes from correctly matching a set of inputs to the beats of a song of choice. A Day at the Office puts the player in the shoes of an office worker that is about to start another uneventful day at a desk job. The narrative in the game provides the player a list of concrete yet sometimes cryptic objectives that have to be completed. Step 3. Play a Rehab game. The therapists have made a pre-selection of relevant Rehab games for the user. Click on Play and follow the green arrow to start an exercise. A tutorial video of the exercise is shown, illustrating what particular motions have to be performed. When the tutorial video ends, the player is asked to pick up an object related to the gameplay to start playing. As soon as the object is picked up, it will appear in the player's hands, and the game sequence begins. At the end of every game, a results screen is displayed. It shows various information from the last game session, linked to the player's performance. For the therapist, this data is accessible on the VR Habit platform. Now you're all set to start playing the games.